When customers come in looking for new light truck or LT tires, are you prepared to understand their needs and make the right recommendation for them? The LT segment is complex with different customer priorities and use cases to consider. With all these diverse demands, let's take a look at how to recommend the best LT tires to your customers. The fundamentals of LT tires stay consistent, meaning they are constructed with stronger materials, more durable rubber, and increased load-bearing capabilities for heavier vehicles such as trucks, SUVs, and vans. However, customer needs are wide-ranging, and you need to be well-informed about the various subcategories of LT tires to efficiently cater to these requirements. Before even contacting you or heading to your shop, LT owners and enthusiasts will probably have done some research and possess some knowledge about products and brands they may want. Not only should you stay informed about the LT segment, but you should prepare your shop for these customers. Demonstrate your readiness for the LT segment by ensuring your dealership has the necessary equipment for proper mounting and balancing. Ask your staff for any potential LT or Jeep enthusiasts. They may be a great resource to call on when you have a customer looking for more detailed help. It's also important to understand the environments in which consumers will use their vehicles, particularly for off-road enthusiasts or overlanders, to present them with the best options right away instead of detailing the list of every LT tire option you have. When talking with customers, explain the features and benefits of LT tires you have in stock. This includes emphasizing aspects like tread design, sidewall strength, off-road capabilities, and expanded tread life. Additionally, you should even educate customers about specific tire technologies like run-flat tires or those with self-cleaning tread patterns. Like most tire sales, you especially need to stress the significance of routine tire maintenance for LT tire customers to extend lifespan, such as maintaining proper inflation, rotating, and aligning tires. LT tires are tailored to offer enhanced load capacity, off-road performance, durability, and puncture resistance, but still need regular check-ins to ensure they are performing to the highest of their abilities. While they may sacrifice some ride comfort compared to passenger tires, LT tires excel in ruggedness and versatility across various applications. Selecting the right LT tire for your customers involves evaluating the vehicle's intended use, load demands, and driving environments. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.